Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ari Arianto. This is my second big text. This time, I will explain about information technology and social media in the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0. Here we go. At this time, the world has entered the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0, where the development of technology is increasingly sophisticated. Changes the industrial world have evolved in several aspects, characterized by the emergence of supercomputer, smart robot, driverless vehicle, cloud computing, big data system, genetic engineering, and the development of neurotechnology. In addition, in the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0, the creation of tools that have facilitated human work such as robots to improve efficiency and complete jobs, both in the field of industry, health, and also in agriculture. These causes will be many types of job loss and replaced by the function of robot or artificial intelligence that will occur social change and shift in the business field in the long term that will be felt in the digital industrial revolution. Technology that became the main pillar in the development of the industrial revolution, one of which is the internet. The technology is growing rapidly, has very advanced features, and make it easier for people to access or perform an activity. The devices used to access the internet are also experiencing a very rapid development. Computers that are increasingly sophisticated until now called a supercomputer, in addition to the mobile phone computer that used to be manual are now turned into smartphones. The development of technology and information also changed human life into modern. This also has an impact of the industrial of communication and information technology between humans in various parts of the world. Communication that was once still done face-to-face and using manual tools is now changed to be very easy. With computer and smartphone, people can communicate with anyone without having to meet in person. The media has been a part of human existence since human existed. Man himself is a medium that has the ability to convey information and feeling through part of his body. Then man realized that he had limitations, so that man began to think of new ways of conveying messages. Then found in the media to convey this message also developed from a medium that is only interpersonal to mass media. In the modern era as it is today, the mass media is one of the most talked about. This is because it's very important role and much needed by human. Mass communication is a form of communication that utilize print, electronic, and cyber media channels. This channel is useful in communicate with communion at the same time. The communication media used by human in the Industrial 4.0 era largely turned to digital product. The media better known as social media. In Indonesia, the most active users of social media are teenagers. Not even a few of them have more than one social media account such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Social media is used to build communication and get along with others even across the country. Many also use social media to sell online to social activities. The development of communication technology is very to shape the ethic in communicating. In addition to having many good benefits, this virtual communication also has a less good impact of human. Among them form into an individualist person and can cause a crisis of social communication, especially in the younger generation. Social media is a real product of technological development, especially the internet. This media makes it easy for people to communicating and interacting through online networks. Therefore, interaction is done not necessarily through face, simply use technology such as smartphone or smart computer. Social media as a group of internet-based applications that build on the basis of ideology and Web 2.0 technology, and that enable the creation and exchange of user-generated content. The term Web 2.0 is used specifically to describe technologies such as wikis, weblogs, and other internet media. And Web 2.0 is important for social media because it is able to accelerate the growth of social media itself. The above understanding confirms the sophisticated development of the internet and technology product, especially social media. There is no denying that social media has become a necessity for society and modern era, but social media remove the boundaries of space, time, and communication actors. Social media has advantages compared to conventional media. The advantages of social media include simplicity, relationship building, global reach, and measurability. The positive and negative impact of social media use include: the positive impact is the easier to interact with others as a medium of various information, as a medium of discussion, as a promotional media, and as a means of entertainment. And the negative impact is lack of interaction with the outside world, widespread fraud, theft of personal data, limitation of the private domain or privacy, increasing blood, addictive pornography, and the spread of fake news or hoax. The ethic of communication become the main reference in consuming social media. Given the nature of social media that does not have the distance and time in exchanging information, therefore, the ethic of communication are very important in using social media. If not applied, it will potentially conflict and split. Jam is by not keeping a good speech, can hurt the heart of others and cause haters that lives on the common world. In addition to facing the current era of revolution, we must also have soft skills such as the ability to communicate effectively. In addition to facing the current era of revolution, we must also have soft skills such as the ability to communicate effectively, such as being able to work in team and collaborate with, having personal and social responsibilities in communicating, must be interactive, have a national and global orientation, have a leadership spirit and be responsible, have ethical and moral values, productivity and accountability, flexibility and adaptation, social and cross-cultural, interactive and self-directing. Thus, it is expected that today's world must prepare themselves to have information and communication technology skill to face the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0, so as to adapt to the changing times that occur. Okay, maybe that's the explanation from me. Thanks for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.